So, good evening, friends. As part of our investment awareness program, today's video topic is going to be about insurance, more particularly about life insurance and what all the options available under life insurance. So, why one should take life insurance, and who should take what type of insurance, and what all the options available under life insurance. So, if you want to know the answer for all this question, watch the video till the end. A death can give you two types of losses. One is a emotional loss, other one is a financial loss. Obviously, emotional loss, a person's death cannot be compensated, but in case of financial loss, insurance product can definitely compensate and bring the family to a financial stability. It can also give a peace of mind to the family in case of the absence of the breadwinner of the family. So, what are the options available under life insurance policy? So, this can be broadly categorized under three options. One is endowment policies, second one is unit linked insurance policies, and the third one is term insurance policies. So, let's find out what is one by one. In case of endowment policies, is nothing but insurance plus savings that will give you endowment. If you are okay, if you are a Marana coder or an Excel champ, endowment policy is nothing but equal to sum of all the insurance paid plus some rate of return. Close the bracket and enter. That's all. That will give you an insurance policies. These are traditional policies to develop the habit of savings in the name of coverage, in the name of insurance coverage. These policies were introduced. Traditional method of saving. If you're not saved, or if you don't have a policy, you can very well go for the insurance policy of endowment coverage. Second one is unit linked insurance policy. As the name suggests, insurance policies plus market invested will give you ULIPs. If you are lucky, the market goes up, you will be under profit. If the market goes down, obviously there will be a capital erosion. There is chances that you could be heavily under invested if the market goes below the average returns. Third one is term insurance. It's nothing but simple vanilla insurance. You pay the premium, you'll get a sum assured. So you pay the premium, you'll get sum assured. For again Excel champs and Marana coders, is nothing but an if condition. If something happens, you'll get the benefit. If not, zero. That's all. Simple. And one thing needs to be remembered in this: there will not be any maturity benefits. Whatever money you're gonna pay, it's an expense if you survived through this whole period. So let's find out a chart giving the comparative tables between endowment policy, unit linked insurance policy, and term insurance. Please do not buy any policies just because your friend, family, or a relative is compelling you to do so. Do not buy any combo policies. Like an example, you go to any bank or any NBFC or any financial institution for any locker, loan, or any deposits. They will ask you to buy an insurance plan, or they'll ask you to buy an endowment plan or something. Don't do it. Those plans will not suit you. Those plans are not good in the market. Please don't buy that. Third, endowment policies. If you're not saved so far, or if you don't have insurance coverage so far, endowment policy can start with. You can start your endowment policies, but one thing you need to be reminded is there are charges if you surrender within the stipulated time. Say for example, if it is for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, you surrender well before, you'll only get 30 to 50% of your returns. Okay, this is one thing which needs to be kept in mind in case of endowment policies. So it's okay if you want to still go ahead with endowment policy. You can very much do it, because there is something is still better than nothing. And the very good option of endowment policy is you will get some return, you will get some money back at a particular stage, at a particular point of your life. It could be for any purchase of any immovable property or children's education or etc. This could be useful to you, and please do not expect a superior return. whatever you're going to put, a nominal amount of interest, nominal amount of return will come. Obviously there are bonuses and etc, but endowment policies will not give you a higher sum assured compared to the term insurance. Lastly, in case of if you want to get the real benefit of a life insurance, term insurance is where to go. Insurance and savings are two different things, and it will be better if you can keep both of them separately. So the term insurance is nothing but or more of a car or bike insurance. Only when you get into an accident, only when you get into an accident or any other issue, you will need a term insurance, because this would come as handy. Otherwise this will be an expense. Obviously you will not get this money back, you will not get any refund, but your family members will get a lump sum amount as compared to the any other policies. So that is the real advantage of having a term insurance. Simple, plain, vanilla term insurance. Yes, it is an expense, but it will definitely give you peace of mind and financial stability for your family members. If you like our videos, please like, share and comment. Please spread love and not the hatred. Jai Hind.